Welcome to the ultimate guide to gardening. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these tips and tricks will help your garden thrive. Gardening is a journey of learning, of understanding the soil, the weather, and most importantly, the needs of your plants. It's about getting your hands dirty, nurturing life, and reaping the rewards of your efforts. Over the next few minutes, we'll delve into the essential elements of successful gardening, from selecting the right tools to understanding the nuances of soil, watering, feeding, and protecting your plants. We'll explore both traditional wisdom and modern techniques, providing you with the knowledge and confidence to create a garden that flourishes. Remember, gardening is a partnership with nature. It's about working with the elements, understanding the rhythms of the seasons, and fostering a healthy ecosystem in your own backyard. So, let's begin our journey into the wonderful world of gardening. No gardener can manage without a few essential tools. They are the backbone of our efforts, extensions of our own hands. First and foremost, a good trowel, for planting, weeding, and transplanting. Choose one that fits comfortably in your hand. Next, a pair of secateurs, essential for keeping your plants in shape. A sharp bypass pruner gives the cleanest cut. A good pair of gardening gloves is a must. They protect your hands from thorns and dirt. A garden fork is perfect for turning soil. Finally, a watering can or hose keeps your plants hydrated. Let's talk about the foundation of any garden, the soil. It's a living ecosystem that sustains our plants. Understanding your soil type is crucial for plant success. There are three main soil types: clay, sandy, and loamy. Clay soil is heavy and holds water well. Sandy soil is loose and drains quickly. Loamy soil balances moisture and drainage. To test soil, form a ball with moist soil. If it holds shape, it's clay. If it crumbles, it's sandy. Loamy soil holds shape but crumbles when poked. Improve soil by adding organic matter. Compost or manure works best. Mulching helps retain moisture and suppress weeds. Just like us, plants need a balanced diet to thrive. Fertilizers provide essential nutrients for healthy growth and blooms. Organic fertilizers, like compost, improve soil structure and health. They're a sustainable way to feed your garden. Synthetic fertilizers offer a quick nutrient boost. Use them carefully to avoid harming soil and waterways. Compost is a fantastic all-round soil improver. Epsom salts enhance growth and deter pests. Remember, don't over-fertilize. Too much can be detrimental. Always follow the instructions and err on the side of caution. Watering may seem straightforward, but it's an art in itself. Overwatering can be just as detrimental as underwatering, leading to root rot and other problems. The key is to water deeply and less frequently, encouraging roots to grow deeper into the soil. How often you need to water depends on several factors, including plant type, weather conditions, and soil type. The best time to water is early in the morning, allowing the foliage to dry throughout the day, reducing the risk of fungal diseases. Drip irrigation is a fantastic way to water your plants efficiently, delivering water directly to the roots while minimizing evaporation. Mulching also plays a crucial role in water conservation, helping to suppress weeds and reduce evaporation from the soil surface. Remember, observing your plants is key. Wilting leaves are a sure sign of thirst, but other signs, such as stunted growth or leaf drop, can also indicate watering problems. Every gardener will encounter pests and diseases at some point, but don't despair. There are many ways to protect your garden and keep your plants healthy. Natural pest control methods such as companion planting, encouraging beneficial insects, and using homemade insecticidal soaps are a great place to start. Companion planting involves growing plants that naturally deter pests or attract beneficial insects. Encouraging beneficial insects such as ladybugs, lacewings, and hoverflies is another effective strategy. Homemade insecticidal soaps, made with natural ingredients like dish soap and vegetable oil, can be effective against soft-bodied insects like aphids and spider mites. While chemical controls can be necessary in some cases, it's always best to use them as a last resort. Regularly inspecting your plants for signs of pests and diseases is crucial for early detection and intervention. Look for chewed leaves, discolored foliage, or unusual growths. So, there you have it. We've covered the essential tools, explored the wonders of soil, delved into the world of fertilizers, mastered the art of watering, and learned how to protect our gardens from pests and diseases. Remember, gardening is a journey, not a destination. There's always something new to learn, a new technique to try, a new plant to nurture. Embrace the process, don't be afraid to experiment, and most importantly, enjoy the fruits of your labor. Thanks for watching. We hope these tips help you create a beautiful and thriving garden. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more gardening tips and tricks.